have like Spanish Jamaican vibes right now. I don't know. I'm feeling like on a beach with this hair. Take me to the tropics.
Take me to the tropics.
Okay, that's where I belong.
Hey babes, it's Winnie Jean, and today I want to show you guys how I got this really cute passion braid style. I was super inspired by the Boho babe. She has a style called the passion twist that I've already done a video on. I can link that video here, but I want to try something a little bit different just because I find with the passion twist it can be a bit difficult to make sure that they can like really last. So in my head I'm like, okay, what can I do that'll look the same but last a little bit longer? So I want to try the passion twist technique but with braids, and that's what I'm doing here. Now what I did choose to do was leave out a few curls here and there to kind of create this bohemian look and have those like loose tendrils in between. So essentially I'm going for the bohemian box braid look but using the Freetress water wave hair that kind of gives that crinkled look. And I love how it came out, and so did my client, so this is how I went ahead and did that. So first I'm going in with this Care moisturizing cocoa water. I love this stuff. The mist is so fine. So I often find myself using this instead of regular water on my hair. It's really nice and it smells good. Now I'm just going to comb everything through because the key to using this water wave hair is to smooth everything while you're doing it. So to help with that, I'm going in with the Care edge control as well. And this is just going to add a little bit of hold to the style. So I have essentially two pieces of the water wave hair and I have them overlapped to create 3 sections. I can leave a reference video down below if you don't know how to do that. And now I'm just braiding that into the hair as if I'm doing a normal box braid. So I'm grabbing a section of her hair to blend in with each section of the water wave Freetress hair, which is used for like passion twist and all of that stuff. So this is what I went ahead and used for this style as well. And as you can see, I'm braiding a little bit slower than normal just to make sure everything is smooth and as I'm braiding, because you don't want to have too much frizziness with this style, especially if you want it to last a long time. So I'm continuing to just braid and smooth until I get to an area where I feel like this is where I want my extra volume. And when I get to that point, what I like to do is to separate out a piece, maybe like half or a third of one of the sections, and I just clip it out of the way. And later on I'm going to come back and define this curl to where it kind of gives that bohemian lock, tendrils in between type of look, and it's really cute. It came out so cute. Now I didn't want to speed this up so you can see what it's really like separating this hair, and if it looks frizzy now, that's fine, because once you put the foaming lotion and everything on it, this hair kind of acts like natural hair and it'll get back to a defined curl. So to finish out this braid, I'm going to continue braiding past that section that I just decided to leave out. If you don't want to, you don't have to have any of the extra curls out. Now, I honestly make this process a lot easier. What you would do is just braid the hair in and continue to braid down the entire length of the hair. And once you come to the end, this is where you want to start to twist. So I got down like basically 90% of the way, and at the end I started to kind of twist everything, and this is just to make sure that the curl looks right. You don't want to have your curl at the end have 3 different sections, so by twisting it, it kind of just creates a uniformed curl at the end. And you can trim it if you like. I like to trim mine, just I don't like the little scraggly ends. To finish everything off, I'm going in with my Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Lotion, and this is just what I'm going to use to again define all of the curls at the end and throughout. So I'm taking a generous amount and really going in to define that curl. Now I've done the rest of her hair already, I'm just showing you on this one section, but you would take a lot of foaming lotion and really douse the entire style, and that'll provide definition. All right, and this is the final look. Comment down below and let me know if you would try this style, and I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.
The girls are spaced and spin. I got my hair done by Whitney. I love this, Winnie.
Yay!
I love this. I'm loving it.